To lease an apartment in your company name, establish a business entity. Ensure your company is legally established as a registered business entity, such as an LLC or corporation. Verify business eligibility. Check with the landlord or property management company if they allow leasing under a company name. Some landlords prefer individual leases rather than leases under a business. Prepare documentation. Gather necessary documents, including your company's articles of incorporation, employer identification number, business bank statements, and financial records to demonstrate the company's stability and ability to pay rent. Contact landlords or property managers. Reach out to landlords or property managers of the desired apartment complexes. Inquire if they accept leases under a business entity and discuss their specific requirements. Lease application. Submit a lease application on behalf of your company. Provide all necessary documents, business references, and any personal guarantees or additional requirements requested by the landlord. Negotiate terms. Review the lease agreement thoroughly, paying attention to terms, conditions, rental rates, lease duration, and any clauses related to business use or alterations. Signing the lease. Once terms are agreed upon, sign the lease agreement using the company's authorized signatories. Ensure all parties involved understand and agree to the terms. Fulfill obligations. Comply with lease terms, pay rent on time, and adhere to any property rules or regulations stipulated in the agreement.